Hello everyone, I am Chandramukhi, tutor from Tutor here. Today we shall discuss about number system. So in this video we'll be seeing about definition of number system, types of number system, distinguish of rational numbers, natural number, whole numbers and integers. Firstly we'll be seeing the definition of number system. A number system defines a set of values used to represent a quantity. I'll be taking an example to understand you. So the set of values are I'll be taking as class as in the students. So what happens, what is the capacity of the class means how much students can be seated, right? The number of students are the set of values. So quantity is the class, so it represents how much can be seated in a particular class. This is called as number system. This is I have taken an example. So the study of numbers is not only related to computers, we apply these numbers every day as knowing how to go on our work. We may think that how computers manipulate and store these numbers. So I have given two examples: number of people attending the school, number of models taken per subject. Nextly we'll be seeing types of numbers. We have 5 types of numbers. First is natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational number, irrational number. Natural number is denoted by n, whole number is denoted by w, integers is denoted by z, rational numbers denoted by q, irrational numbers denoted by s. We'll try to define these terms in further slides. Natural numbers. These are called as counting numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are called as counting numbers. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on. So it is denoted by n. So what are natural numbers? Are these counting numbers. Then we'll go to whole numbers. What is whole number? It is the combination of 0 and natural numbers. What are natural numbers? It starts with 1 and these are called as counting numbers. So this starts with 0, 0, 1, 2 and it goes on infinite. Means how much ever numbers you want can put down. So it is denoted by W. If the start, which is the first number in the whole number is 0, which is the first number in the natural number is 1 and it goes on. Then we'll be seeing the difference between whole number and natural number. Here whole number you can see it is the combination of 0 and 1 and it goes on. This arrow says goes on. This is the whole number. Natural number starts with 1 and it goes on. So this is the major difference. Next we'll be seeing integers. Integers are the combination of 0, natural numbers and their additive inverse, means opposite to addition. It is represented in a number line excluding fractional part. Fractions, excluding the fractions, everything is included in this number line. It is represented by z. So this is called as a number line. In this number line you have 3 types: negative integers, positive integers and zero integer. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3 and it goes on. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3 and goes on. What are 1, 2, 3 and it goes on means these are called as natural numbers. What are natural numbers? These are called as counting numbers. Then the combination of natural numbers and zero integer is called as whole numbers. When you can interpret here whole numbers and natural numbers. Then we'll be seeing rational number. Rational number is denoted by r. A number r is called rational number if it can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. This is the statement which is very much important, p by q, where p and q are integers. For example, -75. -75 can be written in the form of like this, -75 by 1, that is in the form of p by q. We know that rational numbers do not have any unique representation in this form, so we have to use this statement for rational number. These are the example. Whatever the example you may take for rational number, it should not be less than 0 or it should not be equal to 0. And even these are called as equivalent rational numbers. So irrational number, it is denoted by s. Irrational numbers are denoted by, so rational numbers are denoted by s. a number s is called irrational, it cannot be written in the form of rational numbers, that is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. As we know, there are infinitely many rationals and irrational numbers. This collection, what is that, rational and irrational numbers collection, is called as real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by r. Therefore, a real number either be rational or irrational. Can be rational also. What is real number? It can be either rational number or irrational. So every real number is represented a unique point on the number line. It is represented on the unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the number line represents unique number known as real number line. It is called as. So this is about irrational numbers. Then we go further. This is the difference between rational and irrational number. What is rational number? So you can see that is a statement p by q. P and q are integers, where it doesn't have, q doesn't, is not equal to 0, minus 2 by 3. These are the examples of rational number. 2 can be written by 2 by 1. Even if I say 5 by 1, it will be the rational number. What are the examples of irrational? Root 2, root 5, root 7. But even root 3 is irrational number, but root 4 is not irrational number. It will be a rational number. Why? Means when we take root 4, it goes to 2. When we remove that root, in the further videos we'll be seeing about this. So when we remove the root 4, root from the 4, it takes 2. So these are the examples of irrational numbers. Then once we able to define all these steps, let's answer these questions. Try to answer these questions. If you have any queries, you can come to me. Then this is the number system. This is the set or a Venn diagram, how number system can be predicted. So firstly, number system is complex. Number system is huge. In that huge, you have real numbers. I said, what is real numbers? It's a combination of natural and irrational, rational and irrational. It's a combination of rational and irrational. What is real number? It's a combination of rational and irrational. So what is real rational numbers? It's a combination, not it's a combination, it's a part of integers. Rational numbers are the part of integers. So when we take integers, we have negative symbols, no negative integers, zero integer and positive integer. Whole number is a part of integers. When we remove that negative integers, we have zero integer and positive integer. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on, right? That is called as whole number. Natural number means starts with 1 except 0, 1, 2, 3, a whole number. When we take whole number except 0, 1, 2, 3, except 0 means 0 is not there, 1, 2, 3, it goes on, right? That is called as natural number. So natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, irrational number, real numbers, and it is in a complex system. So in this video we have saw natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational, irrational, real numbers, and number system definitions. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can approach me. My email ID is chandramukhi@tutorhere.in, chandramukhi@tutorhere.in. So this is small video. Thank you.